boy, it's just so beautiful out here. So beautiful. So beautiful, except all the erosion, but the beach looks great. I mean, trying to get all cleaned up this week, get this mess cleaned up. Lola's found something. Lola, who's a good girl? Good girl. Hopefully I just pound them out. Oh yeah. So I could use, if I get one out, I could use the other one to pound through. Perfect. So now I can use this one to pound. I'm not going to reuse this rod. This is disgusting. It doesn't even, like, whatever. I need stainless steel rod. So any of my subscribers want to reach out and buy me some 1/2-inch threaded rods, stainless steel, marine grade. Also, is that one shorter? It is shorter. I also need nuts and washers, probably double. Like, I like to go a washer that's made for the rod and then a larger one on top of it when I bolt stuff together. But I mean, I need stainless steel, you know. So I'm tempted about just chainsawing this piece up here because I don't see how I'm possibly going to get this chain off without. Pressure on it, so if I cut all the way through, it could pinch the blade. So you cut down quite a bit and cut the rest of it underneath. See how that works? Woo! Yeah, so the winch tower, I'm turning the radio down. I got the radio blasting in my head to keep me out of my head. So the winch tower, I didn't even really like it where it was, and that's why I knew building at sea level was, or a foot above sea level wasn't a very good idea. But you're actually supposed to use wrenches like this, because that way the pull is on the stronger part of the wrench. Wow, these things are tight, dude. Ooh. I'm gonna have to hold the bottom of that one. So last night, Lola wouldn't go in the garden shed tree fort, and it was windy and cold, and I was worried about her. So I went to try to put her jacket on, and she flipped out, and I friggin' snapped my wrist. So I've been on kind of like light duty but still getting stuff done kind of deal. So commercial plumbers, probably all plumbers, I identify as a commercial plumber, but so the thing is that when you spend a lot of time down on the ground, you know, and when you're down there, you need a tool that you can't reach. So you either use something to pull it over to you, or you just grab something else, whatever's closest, because I'm not getting up to get that hammer wherever the hell I put it. So we're gonna use our wrenches here.